Okay, so last week was our first week of online learning, and I think you guys learned a lot of things. I learned a lot of things about how to do this without being in the same room as you. So one thing that I heard over and over again was, I can't get into your assignments, they're all locked. So I want to explain why I had to do things that way. Normally, like if we were reading a story, we might do background and vocabulary on Monday. And so I would give you that information. And then on Tuesday, we might read the story. And then on Wednesday, we might do a Pear Deck or do something with the story. But because I'm giving you all your week's work at once on Monday morning, I can't really do that. So I've set up your work. So see how it's labeled with next week's date, and see how it says complete all items. You have to do things in order. You can't like skip down here. See how all of these are grayed out, and if you try to click on it, it'll probably tell you it's locked. But right here, this one's not grayed out. This is where you start. There's a video there that you have to watch before it unlocks the next task. Think of it like the escape room. You have to do this first before you can go here. Okay? You can't just skip around. Do everything in this module. The other thing I learned this week was you guys don't like it when things are split into the module. So even last week's, if you haven't finished last week's, notice I put it all in the same module. I fixed it today. I listened to some of you who said, I don't like that. So everything from now on will be in the same module. Okay? And it'll be titled by the week that we're working. You're going to need to complete everything in there, and you're going to need to do it in order. Okay? And please, please, please don't hesitate to contact me if you need help. Right up here, the very first module says important information for students. That may change a little bit tomorrow, but this page is always going to be there. How do you contact me? You can use my Zoom link. It's usually open from 9 or 9:15 to 12:25 every day in the afternoon. Sometimes I have meetings, so I can't leave it open all afternoon. But even from 3 to 4:25, I'm usually on Zoom. You can just pop in. You can pop in to say hello, or you can pop in to ask a question. And it doesn't have to be just about English. If you use this link and you click on it, it should take you to a screen that in very tiny letters at the bottom says start from browser. So you shouldn't have to download anything. If you want to use the meeting ID and the password, you can. But if you use this link, it should take you right there. You can also send me a message on Remind. You can also just email me either through Canvas over here or through my email address. Your parents have my phone number in their email. I sent it to them. So you can use that as long as your parent gives it to you. If I'm not available on Zoom, every other ELA teacher has a day of the week that they're available on Zoom from 3 to 4:25. You can ask any of them because we're all working on the same thing. Again, advocate for yourself. Don't wait until the day it's due to ask questions about computer stuff. If your technology device is misbehaving, please contact me. If something else is going on that you can't work, you're having to babysit little brother or little sister, that your Chromebook is broken, whatever it is, just let us know so that we can find a way to help you, okay? We definitely want to help you. This module will go live tomorrow at 8 a.m., okay? I have it locked until tomorrow at 8 a.m. If you have not finished anything from last week, remember, you were supposed to choose one of the stories below, either Amigo Brothers and all of these, or Dark They Were in Goldeneye and all of these, okay? So, if you need help, remember, how do you contact your teacher? Lots of different ways. Speak up for yourself. Don't be afraid. And if I can't solve your problem, I will find someone who can. I promise you that. Okay? Love you guys. Let's have a great week too.